Hello everybody, it's Alane Freund, licensed marriage and family therapist in Northern California and international consultant on high sensitivity. I'm speaking with you today with my HSP, highly sensitive person friendly headphones. As you can see, they're over ear. Those earbuds just bug me. It's not that I can't use them, but I don't like to use them for a long period of time. So when I'm listening to meditation, guided meditation, or my audio books, or having a long phone conversation, this is the headset for me. It's a Skull Candy, probably about $20 to $25. Unfortunately, my kitten has chewed the cords of many of them, but it's worth it to keep getting more because, gosh, it's just so loose. And maybe it doesn't block out sound as well, but it doesn't give me a headache. People talk about, sorry for the moving camera. People talk about weighted blankets, for example, and I don't like toxins in the fabrics, and so I wear stuff that's either very old and used, or I like cotton, and I even like organic cotton even more. So what I use for my weighted blanket on my bed is an organic wool comforter. It's really quite heavy. It's just like a weighted blanket, but it's amazing. It's toxin-free, natural fibers, and it still breathes even though it's heavy. So those are just some examples of designing a life that's compatible with being highly sensitive. And I was hiking around waiting for an appointment, and I wanted to show you these beautiful succulents. This is a landscaped area that I'm in because I'm in town. These succulents are perfect examples of being a highly sensitive person. Because did you know that if you stress a succulent, that's what makes it develop those really beautiful colors? And someday I'll go to the nursery and take a little video with some really beautiful succulents, and I've posted them before on social media. But stress is hard for everybody, but it's extra hard for highly sensitive people. Yet it does give us more color, more depth, more beauty to our lives. It's something that we integrate into our lives, and it makes us a different kind of person, a more complex person. So I love these succulents. I couldn't resist sitting down here, and I'm going to flip the camera for a moment, and I hope that you can see this beautiful view out across the valley where I am in San Anselmo, California, Northern California. So I'll watch back before I post to make sure you could see that. As highly sensitive people, we have a different level of susceptibility to our environment. That's all. Here's the good news. Our susceptibility is stronger to the negative things in our environment, yet it's also stronger to the positive things. What? Stronger even than it is to the negative things. We are susceptible to the good things. So how about this for your homework after this video? Go out there and find the good things. Keep watching, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on social media, and I'm doing some things just on Instagram that won't be appearing other places, so I hope you find me Alane Freund, LMFT on Instagram. What else? And go to areyouhighlysensitive.com and sign up for our 2 webinars by becoming a member. Thanks so much. Ciao for now.